you tired of blurry, pixelated old photos? Aiarty Image Enhancer is here to revolutionize your image restoration experience. As the leading 4K image upscaler of 2024, Aiarty Image Enhancer offers unparalleled clarity and detail for your cherished memories. Why choose Aiarty Image Enhancer? There are some reasons why Aiarty Image Enhancer is one of the best image upscaler. This includes superior upscaling, smart noise reduction, color restoration, batch processing, and user-friendly interface. To download Aiarty Image Enhancer, first of all, you have to go to its website. I have included the links to check the app out in the description. So you just click on free trial to download. I've already done downloading it. Once you're done downloading and installing it, just open it. Here's the look of the app. It's user-friendly and simple to use. On the right side, they have different AI models. You click on this question mark icon, you will see the explanation of each AI model that you want to select. So for the upscale option here, if you click on it, there are lots of options for you to choose. The option here allow you to upscale from 1 time, 2 times, all the way to 8 times. You can upscale it to 1K, 2K, 4K, 8K, or even higher with custom resolution. If you want to upscale your image to 4K, you just select on 4K here, and any image that you want to upscale, just drag and drop it in here. It will make use of AI technology to actually upscale that image to a 4K resolution. So this is actually the best 4K upscaler for you. But in my case, I would like to upscale it all the way to 8K. So I would select 8K here. So you can drag and drop the image or click on this icon to add the image in. So let me drag the image in here. Now the app will start generating more image details by making use of AI technology. Right now it's looking for inference. It's trying to enlarge or upscale the image. So we have to wait for it to finish loading or finding inference. Now the processing is done. Let's see the image here. You can see before and after. So the blurriness on this side, the noise, the pixelated, and on this side, the image look a lot better. So you can see that you can actually upscale your old image so that it will look better. Once you're happy with this image, you can save it, and right here it says export settings. You can select formats you want to save to, like JPG or PNG. And for PNG you have 8 bits and 16 bits. Let's select PNG 16-bit here. And for level down here, it says smaller value, larger file, and faster export without compromising image quality. I would leave it at 3 like that as the default. And output path, you can also change it if you want to, but I would just leave it the way it is. So my destination folder would be on desktop. Once I'm happy with everything else, I just click on run to start the exporting process. Okay, now the exporting process is done. Let's take a look at the image before and after. So this image is the original image. This is before, and let's take a look at after. That's after, before, after. So the image has now been upscaled and enhanced. Even the size is also different. If you take a look at this one, the size is only 95 kilobytes, but the upscale image, the size is 93 megabytes, which is a lot bigger. This is now an 8K image. So as you can see how effective this app is at upscaling or enhancing any images, whether it is an old image from 10 or 20 years ago, or the images that you found on Facebook or on the internet that are low quality. You can enhance those images or upscale those images to look a lot better than before. If you find this app useful, you can give it a try and see how it works. Once again, you can find the links to the app in the description to check it out. Okay, that's it guys. If you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below of your thoughts, and subscribe to help our channel grow. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day guys. Hope to see you again in the next video.